Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Nextdoor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and if you have already been logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through the news feed of your neighborhood. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, click on your profile icon at the top left corner, which will open up your main menu. Then click on Settings at the bottom left, which is the gear icon. Now, within the Settings and Preference menu, if you look all the way at the bottom, you will find the Sign Out option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to sign out from your account. Tap on the Yes button to confirm your sign out, and now you will be logged out from your account on Nextdoor right away. Now, if you wish to log back in, you can use your preferred Google account, your Facebook, or your email address in order to log in right away. And there you have it. That is how you can log out from your account on the Nextdoor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.